Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Vibes Education. Power500 General Knowledge 2021 for all competitive exams 14 Power500. K131. Who first called Mahatma Gandhi the father of the nation? Ans. Subhash Chandra Bose. K132. Where did India celebrate its first independence on August 15? Ans. Calcutta, now Kolkata. K133. 133. Under which plan was the partition between India and Pakistan done? Ans. Mountbatten Plan. K134. 134. When and who killed Mahatma Gandhi? Ans. The 30th of January 1948. Naturam Godse. K135. Who was the first Indian Governor General of Independent India? Ans. C. Rajagopalachari. K136. How far did Gandhiji protest against the salt law during the Dandi Yatra? Ans. 385 kilometers. K137. When did the Quit India movement start? Ans. The 9th of August 1942. K138. Who gave the slogan Inqilab Zindabad? Ans. Sardar Bhagat Singh. K139. Who called Mahatma Gandhi half-naked fakir? Ans. Churchill. Ans. Dear. Thank you so much. Ans. K140. Which mammal had the biggest eyes? Ans. Deer. Thank you so much for watching. Signing off.